Hi chums, welcome to Chums Brigade. Today's our topic is BODMAS and PEMDAS. Okay, why I am teaching this topic is today's this topic. This topic is very important for the students who is preparing for the competitive exams like bank and SSC. Okay, while solving any mathematical expression which is having the arithmetic operations, so we need to know the order of preferences of the arithmetic operations to evaluate any mathematical expressions. So we are having the arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, then multiplication, then division and brackets also. If you consider you can consider brackets. Then exponents. Okay, some power like this, or roots, square roots like this. So which arithmetic operation we need to give the first priority to solve any mathematical expression. This type of model is using in mathematics and in our science and technology, and while writing the computer programming languages they need to follow this type of rules, some type of the rules to evaluate any mathematical expression. Okay, so here we are having the BODMAS. Here this is the one rule for to solve this type of mathematical expressions. So the acronym of this BODMAS is the brackets, order of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So if you see here this BODMAS, so bracket, orders, and then division or multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here bracket means here we are giving the, see we are having the three types of brackets: closed brackets, monster brackets and square brackets. So we need to give the first priority to this brackets only, means we need to evaluate this expression in the bracket. Then we need to check for the orders, powers and the square roots. Then we go for the division, then multiplication, then addition. After that we need to go as a priority for the subtraction. So we will go with the here example problems. So here I can write this problem. See, 175 divided with 25 plus 5 into 20 minus 3 into 10. So here first we need to give priority brackets. Here we don't have any brackets. Then orders. Here also in this problem we don't have any orders. Then we need to go for the division. So 25 7 to 175. Then here plus 5 multiply with 20 minus 3 into 10. Then 7 plus here 5 multiply with 20 is the 100 minus 30. So here we will get the 77 is the answer. If you calculate this expression in our calculator also, you will get the exact same answer. Then this is the second question. So here I can write this as 45 minus 38 minus 60 divided with 3 minus 6 9 divided with 3 like this. So here we are having the brackets. So first I will go with the brackets. So in the we are having 3 brackets here. Then first I will go with the inner bracket. Sorry, in inner bracket also first my preference is the division. So 3 3 is 9. Okay, no? So here 6 minus 3. So I will get the 3 here. Then after that this bracket we need to consider this bracket. In this bracket here see here 3 minus here 3 divided with 3, how much we will get the 1 here. So here in this one we will get the 1. Okay, so here then here also we need to divide here. Then 60 divided with 3, how much we will get the 20. Here what we are having, the 45 minus 38 minus 20 minus 1. So here 45 minus 38 minus 19. So here 45 minus 38 minus 19 is the 19 only. So 45 minus 19 is the 26. This is the answer for this question. Clear? So next we will go for this question, third question. Here 24 plus 6 divided with 3 multiply with 5 multiply with 2 power 3 then 9. Here see, here we don't have any brackets and but here we are having the orders. Here we are having the order element. So first we need to calculate the order element. So 2 power 3 is the 8. Then we need to go for the division next. So 2. Okay. Then 24 plus 2 multiply with 5 then 8 minus 9. Then next we go for the multiplication. Clear? So here 2 5 is 10. Here 8. 24 plus 80 minus 9. Okay. So here 80 minus 9 is nothing but 80 minus 9 is the 71. 71 plus 24 95. So here the answer is 95. Clear? So otherwise we will check this answer once again. I am having some doubt. So 24 plus 6 divided with 3 multiply with 5 into 2 cube minus 9. So first we will go for the order. 2 power 3 is the 8. Okay. Then here division. 3 2 is 6. Yes, 2. So then 2 5. Then 8 minus 9. So here 2 multiply with 5 10 into 8 80 minus 9. Okay, 71. Yes, this is the right answer. Next we will go for this from this question. So here 36 minus 2 multiply bracket 20 plus 12 divided with 4 multiply with 3 minus 2 square plus 10. So here if we calculate here, so here we are missing some, so I can put it as a plus. Okay, 36 minus 2 plus bracket. First I need to calculate in the inner bracket now. So here in this bracket the bracket elements. So here division. First I need to give priority to division. So 4 3 is 12. Okay, then multiplication. 3 3 is 9. Here we will get the 4. So here 20 plus 9 minus 4 plus 10. So 36 minus 2 plus of 20. 20 plus 20 minus 4 is a 16. 16 plus 9 is 25 plus 10. So here 34 plus 25 plus 10. So here 34 plus 35 is nothing but 69. Okay. Next, so like the BODMAS, we are having a PEMDAS also. Okay, here the acronym of PEMDAS is here parenthesis of exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Means see, this is also same BODMAS only. Means we need to give parenthesis first, then exponents. Okay, or square roots like this. Then here multiplication or division, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, this is clear now? So now we learn the topic BODMAS and PEMDAS. Thank you.